Okay, so I'm about to drink my coffee and then I'm gonna be headed on my way to Sally's. I stayed up really late last night looking up what toner, so I'm torn because I don't know, like I'm leaning towards T10 and T11. I seen a video of a girl with the same tone as mine using T10 and T. You want to use T10, want to use T11. It got a pretty cool tone, but I'm also confused because I'm a level 7, level 8, and there's also level 7, level 8, like bluish toner. So I really don't know which one's the right option for me. I'm just gonna go to Sally's. I think I'm gonna go with the T, probably T10. Go with that one. I'm probably gonna ask them what do they think off of just looking at my hair. So okay, so I'm gonna damp my hair. This is what it's looking like. And look at how drastically it's changed in the bowl. It's like turned that blue, purpley color. A lot of the girls say this because they low-key it looks green. We're all right at 30 minutes. I'm about to go wash this out of my hair. Getting a lot of that orange out. It's less brassy. It still has some undertones in it. And this is the final look. What do we think? What do you think? I'll do a spin around. Oh, I'm falling. Yeah, so I just put on some gel, put on some makeup so it can help bring in like the hairstyle. So it's not like too much. I feel like whenever you get your hair done without makeup, it looks like a lot is going on. I like it. I'm satisfied with the results. I definitely learned a lot. Luckily, I was in beauty school a long time ago, so I already knew about the color theory and stuff like that. I just feel like I was duped because I really thought the box bleach had the toner in it and it didn't. So yeah, that's why I had to go to Sally's this morning. But I mean, all in all, I'm glad I did it. I'm happy with my results. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.